Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Roborock Saros 10. If you're interested in the Saros 10, the link to it will be in the video description, so be sure to check it out there. So on our vacuum, we have it out of the station. It's already powered on. We have our solid status light right here. So to reset this particular model, grab a paperclip SIM removal tool and remove the cover. It just pops right out right there from the top of the vacuum, and you'll have this little reset grommet right there that we can open up to reveal a USB port, and we have our factory reset button right down in there, which is why you need this tiny tool. So go ahead for about 3 to 5 seconds, just press this button, and then when we let go, watch the indicator light right here. So give it a second. Those lights just flashed, and now this will change, and we'll hear a chime in a second here, a little startup music chime. But pay attention to the light. There's the music. Now we'll just give it a couple of seconds to get back online. Now the light's solid. There you go. Simple and straightforward to factory reset your Roborock Saros 10.